I've been to Tim Hortons 7 times. In my life,
Okay.
in my life, I've flown a sign for a couple years.
Right, I get that.
The video for today is going to be part 1 of a 3-part series I'm going to do with this same individual. The individual at the center of this video is an alcoholic, and he likes to beg for money at a major intersection in West Columbus. The officers interacted with this man 3 times and responded to 3 separate 911 calls from him. What I would like to demonstrate after you watch all 3 of these videos is you can understand why sometimes police officers will take someone to a hospital against their will. I don't want to spoil too much, but I'll go ahead and give you a heads up that in the first video, the officer is going to talk to him and decide this is his functional state, and he's going to let him go. A little while later, another officer responds to deal with the same individual, and he decides to give that man a ride back to his apartment. And then in the third video, officers are going to respond once again to this man who decided to leave his apartment and cause some more trouble out on the street. During that encounter, the officers took the man to the hospital. I don't want to keep you too much longer. So with all that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you watch all the videos in this series once they're released. Hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
2 hours.
Columbus Police at 111.
Hi, yes, I need a cruiser to 60 North Wilson Road. I have a guy that's being very belligerent and disrespectful.
Do you know the guy? Or the stranger?
No, he's a...
Okay, this is the Tim Hortons?
Yep.
Okay, and what's your name?
My name is... I'm the assistant.
Okay. Is it a white guy, black guy, Hispanic guy, Asian?
He's a white guy, about late 40s, early 50s. He's got on a tan shirt, black pants, and a book bag.
Okay. You see any weapons on him?
No, but he was just being very rude and bothering my customers, and then he kind of called me out of my name, being disrespectful, after I nicely asked him to leave, and then he tried to walk towards me.
Okay. And what's a good phone number for you?
614.
All right, we'll get an officer out there as soon as they're available.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Just pisses me off when people trash the earth, man. Like they give no
192.
respect. I argue with the people at Wilson and Sullivan, the flyers, because I put a bag out there against the sign.
192.
They throw the trash on the ground next to it.
192.
People give them food.
Yeah, I'll have this guy over behind the Kroger gas station across the street.
Sundry packages.
Okay.
They take what they need and just leave it.
What?
Yeah, they know people back in Wedgwood, the girls or whatever.
Okay.
One night I left, swear to God, not 2 weeks ago. Not 2 weeks ago. I left.
Left Wedgwood?
No, I left from flying to Sullivan and Wilson. Look, I know you've seen me fly. I know. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Hugging trees and screaming at the sky.
I know you've seen me
Yeah, he was
fly.
over at Tim Hortons, and they called because he was causing a problem over there. So, yeah, there's definitely something going on.
Well, I'll just,
I've been
making
flying
sure
Sullivan
the
and
girls
Wilson
in there, they ain't
for a
got
long
nobody.
time.
There's-
Yeah, no, I appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah.
Sullivan and Wilson for a long time. I trimmed up my sides.
Mm-hmm.
I tried, but I've argued with a lot of the other people, but the other people, Wilson and Sullivan, the other panhandle, Taylor, I ain't gonna say all the names, but they leave the trash behind. They don't show no disrespect. They don't give anything back to what people give them.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is accidental. Just advise you may get it one more time.
Look, here, I'm not even usually up here. I've been up here 10 holes, maybe 7 times in the last 2 months.
Yeah, well,
This was my day.
What?
It's my call. This is my call. No, this is my call.
What happened over at Tim Hortons? They wanted you to leave and you wouldn't leave or something?
No, not at all. I left.
Okay.
Look.
So what's your first name?
It was the same black lady, sir, 2 weeks ago. Look, like I said, I've been to Tim Hortons 7 times. In my life,
Okay.
in my life, I've flown a sign for a couple years.
Right, I get that, and that's whatever. What's your?
Several weeks ago, a black lady come out and said you had to go.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. No problem. Okay. I come back that afternoon. A security officer, somebody driving the white pickup truck in the lot. You can't panhandle it. I said, okay, I don't see a sign. I moved over. Off of Tim Hortons onto the vacant lot. They poured a fucking like 3 yards of fucking concrete. Just,
Right.
It looks shitty. You know, right there beside the trash can.
Right.
But it's a vacant lot.
Yeah. Hey,
I sat
so
on that.
what's your plan right now?
My plan?
Where do you normally camp at?
I don't know if you heard me earlier. This is my day of calling.
This is your day of calling? Okay.
That means this is it for me. I'm going back to the rooms where I came from.
Going back to where?
Alcoholics Anonymous.
Okay. Where are your meetings at?
34. 84 is not close.
What precinct are you from?
19.
I copy 84, you'll be clear.
You talking the one at
I know you know about Josephine, right?
It's
Josephine and Solomon.
Yeah. Well, there's another place.
Desert Island Club.
There's one at Sullivan and Clarendon also.
Josephine and Solomon. It's a close one. Hello. I'm sorry.
So what's going? Did you take something today?
Brother. She was sweating, bro.
Yeah, you're sweating quite a bit. I don't know if you were just sweating or in the rain earlier.
No.
193.
It's called
193.
pain. Pain
Okay,
girl.
2021 West Broad, apartment 3A with a 78.
It's been, I've caused it mainly on myself.
How did that?
I've got real bad corns, toes,
Yeah, big building.
and a right bad foot problem. I've been hit 4 times by foot.
Do you need
I
a?
got side sweat
193, I'm
last
going up
year,
if you wanna hold
walking
up.
down Sullivan, and
Okay.
right past the fucking fire station.
Do you need a medic, buddy? No. Okay.
I know my name. I know my social security number.
Okay.
And my date of birth.
Yeah.
I don't need a medic.
9102,
Okay.
I'll check your 16 on Richardson.
Okay.
Everybody's father's right there, bud.
Okay. Like I said, the only reason I'm here is because they called it Tim Hortons and then they pointed you out across the street. Okay. So.
Well, I thought maybe she might have been a little bit more specific, but I guess she wasn't.
So at this point, if you don't need a medic or anything, I would grab your stuff and.
Yeah, I'm gonna take myself out of the line of sight of Tim Hortons.
Okay. So yeah, I would gather your stuff up for me.
God
Yeah.
bless.
There
God
we
bless
go.
you.
Gather.
Have a safe day.
Hey, thank you.
Hey, what's your name?
Mercurio.
Officer, sure you.
All right, gather your stuff up, my man.
No problem.
It's gonna storm.
Most of my stuff's put up somewhere else anyway, wrapped up tight.
Gotcha. All right.
Believe me, it will not get wet. The stuff I got right now, I'm not worried about getting wet.
Okay. All right. Grab your stuff for me, boss.
But the one thing that strikes me peculiar,
What's that?
and you might ask yourself this, you're saying, you might ask yourself the same question.
What's up?
At 5, what are you?
It is 8 a.m.
8 a.m. in the morning, no sun, no heat, no smoke. What would a man be doing? Perspiring so bad.
Yeah, I don't know. That's why I just asked if you needed a medic. You said you're sweating so bad. I don't
You
know.
shot with a taser, right?
What's that?
You shot with a taser,
Yeah.
you feel adrenaline.
Yeah.
When you feel adrenaline, you get beach sweat.
Yeah, sure.
I feel that constantly.
Okay.
There you go.
That makes sense then.
Okay. That's the only way I can explain it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're fine.
But hey, I love everybody, man. I mean, nobody.
I didn't say you were a bad guy. I didn't say that at all.
I'm just trying to explain it
Yeah.
in a way you might understand.
So do you need a ride anywhere?
No,
You need a ride anywhere?
sir, I'm good.
All right.
I'm good.
Well then just gather your
I
stuff.
got bus passes. I've got dry shirts. I've got dry shirts.
All right. Well, I just need you to grab your stuff and go somewhere else because For some
The
reason.
only thing he got is really good fucking shoes.
Okay. Oh, there's some big lightning. Just grab your stuff for me, buddy.
I'll get it, sir. Hey,
Yep.
I appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for your understanding.
Yep, absolutely.
My heavenly Father, stay safe, all CPD. I pray for you guys and the first responders all the time.
Well, I appreciate that greatly.
I don't know if you ever seen me going by down there on that.
It's Sullivan Wilson?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen you down there.
2 fingers, that's a piece.
I always wave to you.
You know what that is? That's what I love. My son was half deaf. I took him into sorrow. That's all I know. I love you. So I do the. Whenever anybody, first responders go by me anywhere, police, doesn't matter. Fire truck, paramedic, it's the thumbs. Without them, where would we be? Right?
Yep.
Some people, a lot of them, I tell you, they really go some nice things. You know, until they need them. They're like, where you at? I wasn't saying that, but you talk shit about them.
Yeah, it happens all the time.
They gotta love you and all your. And, I'll bring you over, bud. No harm. Neck should have been to the inside. That was the main portion of that. Nope. Nope.
193, the apartment's clear. The area's code 4. Heavy.
All that cleaned up. That's why he got me here today.
190, I need to head the whole truck for a minor repair. Heavy.
All right, my man, keep gathering your stuff. I'm listening. Just keep gathering your stuff up. You dropped the $1 right here. Hey, you dropped the $1 right there.
I knew I dropped that about an hour ago. I am not really worried about that dog.
Well, it's yours. I want you to have it.
That's not what I'm here for.
I know. Here. There you are. Oh, it's in your hand.
That's not what I'm here for.
I didn't say you were.
No.
But it's your $1.
No, I know. No, I'm not saying. I know. I'm just like. Okay. I'm not saying you. You wouldn't by chance smoke cigarettes. Smoke cigarettes, do you?
I don't. I'm sorry.
Alcohol don't numb the pain no more. Hell, nicotine numbs pain better than alcohol. I'm sorry, officer.
No, you're fine.
Got it. This nicotine pen.
What's that?
That nicotine pen.
Oh, I don't know. That could be.
It makes me choke. Nicotine? No. That? No, you can't do that. Sorry.
You're fine.
There could be about 3 more minutes. And that'll only begin to numb the pain. Yeah, I won't take Percocet bites. I will not take Suboxone. I will not take opium. I will not take any kind of heroin, tablets, or anything.
Yep. All right, grab your shirt and glove, buddy. Grab your shirt and glove.
The doctor keeps saying, well, you ain't got no pain. No, I do. So I'll live with it. 2 gallons of sweat right there. I love you. Thank you. Thank you for your patience.
Yeah.
Hold on. Can I? Oh, gosh.
You sure you don't need a squad for anything, buddy?
Swab?
A medic, a squad?
Hey, no.
Okay.
Oh, I got fucking husky girls. I'm a fucking guy who's West Virginia, Taylorsville, Kentucky.
Gotcha.
Alcoholic and addict. Didn't meet my dad till I was 26.
Oh, wow. Sorry about that.
And that wasn't down there.
All right.
Greater
My
9101,
dad's
9102.
100 Cherokee.
Oh, no kidding.
She got divorced from my dad, my grandfather.
Good, we're together.
Thank God she did.
Race Party 31
Yeah.
754 Wedgewood, number 1. Color shooter, check on her mom.
Hey, do you need a ride anywhere?
You know what?
Do you need a ride anywhere?
Mom's 6 years old and color.
All right.
Okay.
I'm sane.
I didn't say you weren't insane.
Social security number, birthday.
Yep. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Just I'm ready.
Well, I appreciate you
I
just.
felt like I was loading up to you.
All right. Well, I appreciate you just move on down the road.
Can I say one thing?
Yeah, absolutely.
Can I say one?
Yeah.
My dad passed away a year and a half ago. 260 pounds. My whole life, I'm 206 years better.
Then not anymore.
Within a year, he was 90 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah, all the time. It was just drinking and drugging. He drove semi, flatbed trailer all his life up there, northern Indiana or whatever. Up
Yeah.
Chicago, Detroit. I didn't know until first thing he wanted to do when I met him. I had a newborn son with my baby, my woman. I ain't even married yet. At the kitchen table with his so-called woman. He had me on the go. What do you want to do with me?
What?
A line of cocaine.
Oh, no, thank you. No, thank you.
26 years old.
That's
All my life I say I'll meet my father. First thing I want to do is...
Yep.
Look outside. I'm your husband right now. You know, I'm not...
All right, my man. Well, I appreciate you.
I love you. What's your name? Officer McGrew.
Or you can go with Rob, whatever easier.
Hey, you can look me up, bro. I got a long fucking line.
You're good.
I ain't been no trouble for a long time.
All right, just move on down the road for me, all right? All right.
Look me up.
All right, take it easy, buddy.
I got a long line to run.
All right.
Stay up, sir.
I like it.